It's the whānau.
The ainga.
The whānau.
We'll be family by the end of this.
So going to be ainga.
Whānau.
I am over it, son.
That mosquito net over her face.
You're my son.
Ainga.
Thank you, darling. This has just been so awesome.
Let's give it up for Mama Pans. Thank you, son. Malo, love everyone. It's so lovely to see my whole family here. My whole family did everything here. They do everything everywhere for you too. You know, before I cry, I just want to share a moment with you about my little girl here. You know, she said, "Mom, I'm going to marry a doctor." I went, "Yay!" And I wasn't expecting, you know, Anirudh, but he's a doctor, and look at him. He defies all statistics. To the mother, dear, you look beautiful tonight, doesn't she? Woo! So give a bello. And I just want you to look after my daughter. Now that you're part of the family, we as a family, we're very, very close, you know? We'd like to cut things out that don't need to be there. So just know that we welcome you to our family.
Yeah.
We love you.
Ngā mihi o te wā, talowhalawa, a lautua. Beautiful, just beautiful. Thank you to everybody. I'm wondering where my whānau is. They must be in the car park checking their cars. To you. Buns. Just beautiful, just the whole setup. Love all the flowers. Oh, surprised they didn't get eaten, I tell you. But so ka waihoa ngā kōrero ki konei. Yes. Kia ora hui hui mai tātou. Thank you so much for coming.
Kia ora for that. It was lovely. Firstly, I just want to say it's good that your family in the car park. I'm surprised they've got cars. I just want to give some words of advice to Andrew.
Anaru.
That one. Kia ora. And also aroha mai. Okay, and that's the last word. It's,
Aroha mai. No, it's not the last word. Kia ora tātou. Kia ora, darling, for your kōrero.
it's all right. You're welcome.
Aroha mai.
You're welcome.
Ka hore, no. And this is beautiful. We all get to learn about each other. We all feel what's going on, and it's the love. It is the love. Aroha nui. To the new daughter-in-law that I have gained. Welcome to our family. There'll be lots of learning at the marae. Learning at the marae to do, and you're going to love it. You're going to love it. Thank you.
Thank you. And that was beautiful. Thank you. Okay. And now to end this wonderful event, let's end it with a very traditional feeling. You know, when they track our Pacific ancestors, it goes all the way back to Samoa. I know that's where it started. That's the genesis of pure aloha, which then became aloha and aroha and all those other interpretations of the original word aloha. We will have aloha when we sing our song. And that is the end. The end of the very...
No. Aroha mai. Yeah, no, you don't say those things. It's never the end. With Māori, we never end. We never end. And see, the thing is with us Māori, we actually don't need a big choir. Mā kukwe e kato e me te aroha e ngai ki aku takoto e me he mea kukwe taku taupu mai piri rawa ki tēnei uma e Menga tātou e. Tātou, tātou e. Puritia ki a mau, hia wehi. Thank you. And that is the end of the kōrero. Kia ora tātou.
No, because I should end it.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, okay, Mum.
Love is patient, love is kind. Mamas know best, can't leave them behind.
Kia ora. None of that to the honeymoon, eh? Why would you want to anyway?